Want to use Chrome extensions on your Android phone? Now, if you open the Chrome app on your device and tap on these three dots, you will see that there is no option to add any extension. That is because the default Chrome browser doesn't support extensions, but there is a simple workaround. You'll need to use an alternative browser like Kiwi Browser or Yandex Browser, which are both based on Chromium and support Chrome Web Store extensions. So you want to head over to Play Store, search Kiwi or Yandex Browser and tap on the install option. After that, tap on open. Now tap on the search bar and here you want to search Chrome Web Store. Then head over to chromewebstore.google.com. Now you simply want to look for the extension that you want to add. Then you will find the Add to Chrome option, tap on that. Here tap on Add Extension. Once the extension has been added, if you want to manage it, then you want to tap on these three lines. Now select the option of Settings. Scroll down a bit and you will find the Extension Catalog option, tap on that. Now all of your saved extensions will be stored over here. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.